Great Success TV, a place where great minds are made. Don't fail to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified each time we upload a.
In today's video, we will talk about the most effective ways to protect yourself against manipulation. Is there anyone in your life who causes you to question your perception and sanity? Someone who will take a mile but give you only an inch? Is this person frequently attempting to push you into situations that make you uncomfortable while insisting they are correct? If this is the case, you are most likely dealing with someone who is attempting to manipulate you on purpose. The first steps to stop being manipulated is to identify when it happens. It can be hard to know when someone is trying to manipulate you intentionally or not, because they excel at getting people emotionally involved in their narratives and stories. Now, there are ways that you can protect yourself against manipulative behavior. We are going to discuss how to arm yourself against manipulators. If you find yourself on the receiving end of a manipulator, do not lose heart. There are ways to protect yourself. The only way manipulation can work is if you allow it to. Your manipulator has studied you and knows your weakness. He knows you want to take care of him, or you want to be the hero, that you are forgiving, you are sacrificial, etc., etc. He will use this to manipulate you. He will use his manipulation to exploit your weakness and your strength to his advantage. One of the ways you can arm yourself against manipulation is to become self-reliant. Poor people are easily manipulated. Make your money. Poor people are easily manipulated and lied to, and make them to chase the wrong kind of happiness and lose their freedom in the process, because he that pays the piper detects its tune. A manipulator, they will make poor people to chase the wrong kind of happiness. So if you want to arm yourself, become self-reliant. Do something that takes care of you and your needs. In this way, you can be sure that manipulators will not excel much around you. Another way to arm yourself is that arm yourself with knowledge. Develop a solid sense of who you are so that no one can convince you otherwise. Do not let anyone, particularly the manipulator, don't let them be the one to tell you who you are. Get more education, because highly educated people have lower chances of being manipulated. Develop your critical thinking skills to be able to protect yourself against manipulators. Make sure whatever you do is out of your own free will, not because somebody asks you to do. So now, other ways that we can protect ourselves against manipulators are: number one, don't give immediate answer. Do not give them an answer on the spot. Give yourself time to ponder, even if they pressure you. For example, say something like, "I will think about it and get back to you later." Remember, the tight timelines are their problems and not yours. Number two, show lack of interest. Manipulators are feared by people's emotive reactions. They thrive and motivate when they realize that they can control your emotions, because that is how they know they manipulate you to do what they want. They lose interest in you, and when you look bored and don't react, don't express emotions like anger, fear, nervousness, impatience, hope, or excitement. Keep a neutral demeanor, calm voice, and look uninterested in their game. Number three ways to protect yourself is to create boundaries. To protect yourself from being controlled and dominated by a manipulative person, you must define your boundaries. Have a fluid and firm no without any verbal or non-verbal hesitation. Smiling calmly while you say no also puts you in a position relative to that of a manipulator. Manipulators are known to not take a no as an answer. In this case, another useful technique is to use the broken record of repeating your no as many times as needed. You don't need to change your no or dress it up differently every time. Be persistent, consistent, and calm. Number 4, don't apologize easily. Do not apologize when they blame you for their problems. Understand that you are not responsible for other people's issues. They are supposed to take responsibility for their own problems. You don't apologize when they blame you for their own issues. You can only apologize when you make your mistakes, not to apologize for another person's mistakes that he will erroneously attribute it to you. Don't allow anyone to disrespect you. You always have the options to simply walk away without any explanation. Your actions will speak for itself. Learn assertiveness. That is number 5. Assertive communication is a skill that helps you speak up for yourself in a calm, respectful, and anxious-free way. It helps you to communicate boundaries, handle conflict, and protect your interests in an effective and matured way. Assertiveness teaches you not only useful script to stand up for yourself in difficult situations, but also the confidence and assertive mindset to give you the courage to speak up. Learn how to identify manipulative behavior and how to protect yourself, your time, and your energy, so that you can live your days with purpose, joy, and pray free.